Ever wonder why a light switch might stop working all of a sudden? It could be due to a myriad of reasons, but don't fret. We're about to dive into a simple step-by-step guide on how to wire a light switch. First, gather all necessary tools: a screwdriver, a pair of wire strippers, a voltage tester, and of course a new switch. Safety is paramount, so don't forget to wear safety glasses and rubber-insulated gloves. Step 1. Power off. Before starting any electrical work, ensure to switch off the power from the main circuit breaker. It's easy to forget this step, but it's crucial for safety. Step 2. Remove the old switch. Using a screwdriver, unscrew the faceplate and then the switch itself. Pull the switch out from the wall, making sure to be gentle so as not to damage the wires. Step 3. Inspect the wires. Notice there are usually 3 wires: a black one, a white one, and a green or bare wire. The black wire is the hot wire, the white one is the neutral, and the green or bare one is the ground wire. Step 4. Disconnect the old switch. Using a screwdriver, loosen the screws holding the wires in place and gently pull them out. Step 5. Connect the new switch. Connect the ground wire first to the green screw, then connect the black wire to one of the brass screws and the white wire to the other brass screw. Tighten all screws firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten as that could damage the wires. Step 6. Reinstall the switch and faceplate. Tuck the wires back into the box and screw the new switch into place, then attach the faceplate. Step 7. Power on. Turn the power back on at the main circuit breaker. Test the new switch to make sure it's working properly. And there you have it, a new light switch successfully installed. To summarize, remember to always turn off the power before starting, carefully remove the old switch, inspect and disconnect the wires, attach them to the new switch, reinstall, and power on. And remember, electricity is not something to take lightly. While this guide makes it sound simple, if at any point you feel uncomfortable or unsure, don't hesitate to call a professional electrician. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, knowing how to wire a light switch is a skill that can come in handy. Who knows, you might even impress yourself with your newfound electrical prowess. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.